One of the worst performing stocks in my $4.8 million portfolio is Disney. To make it worse, I've even been buying Disney stocks for my 6-year-old daughter. What is an investing mom to do? Am I gonna buy more at lower prices, wait it out, or just stop the losses and get out? Let's talk about it. One of the biggest Disney dramas in 2024 was Nelson Peltz. He was trying to get seats on Disney's board. He criticized Disney for its performance and wanted to change its direction. Guess who were some of his biggest supporters? Billionaires like Elon Musk, Jamie Dimon, and Bill Ackman. Unfortunately for them though, Disney won this most expensive proxy war in history as investors overwhelmingly voted to re-elect all 12 company-backed board members, including its CEO, but many people believe that Disney's woke war isn't over yet. Before I dive deeper into this, I'm really curious to know whose side you're on. But now that the proxy war has ended, Disney can finally go back to creating more princess movies to keep you entertained, right? Let's see, linear TV is continuing to decline. Disney is competing with tech companies for major sports rights, and there are now too many streaming platforms to choose from, and people might not be willing to pay high prices every single month. So what's Disney focusing on instead? What's interesting is that Disney's top moneymaker is not its movie business. It says parks, and Disney's planning to spend $60 billion to keep it that way. From innovations in robotics, animatronics, more immersive storytelling. That's all fun and well, but if a recession hits in the next couple of years, will people still have the money to splurge on theme parks? Hold that thought. Meanwhile, on the charts, Disney's stock price has bounced off a key psychological level above 80, but is still struggling to break above the Ichimoku cloud on the monthly chart. Disney pays 0.74% dividend yield. Its next dividend payment date is July 5th, 2024. And they're releasing their earnings in May. Personally, I believe Disney's brand name and memorable characters are its strongest assets long term. I don't think it's going anywhere in the next 25 years. That's why I'm planning to keep all of my daughter's shares and add to them as its price drops to any of these levels. If you're new to investing and want to create investment strategies that match your family's exact risk tolerance and financial goals, you're gonna love my free 2-hour masterclass that shows you the exact 5 points of my diamond analysis system that I use to grow just one of my investment portfolios to over $4.8 million. Even though I'm a busy mom and don't like taking high risk, you're also gonna get my risk management toolkit and the latest investment strategies when you attend. Link in bio.